Hey guys, so today's going to be a wash day on my hair extensions. This is just my wash day routine when I have a sew-in. Right now I have a U-part sewn in. So I'm detangling my extensions first because I don't want it to get tangled when it's wet. Then I'm going to shampoo my hair. And I'm just getting my leave out really good. I like to use a clarifying and moisturizing shampoo while I'm washing my hair. You really want to make sure you wash from the roots to the end and make sure all the old product and buildup is out of your hair. We do not need a stiff weave. Now we're rinsing all the shampoo out. We want to make sure all the shampoo, soap, dirt, oil is out of your hair. So the next step is conditioning. Okay, so conditioning is my favorite part. I have really dry hair, so I like to use a heavy conditioner that's very moisturizing and helps my hair stay hydrated and silky. So right now I'm just taking some good conditioner and putting it all over my hair extensions and my real hair. Right now I'm detangling my hair. I don't even know why I make this face while I detangle, but it's like every time I do it, this is the face I make. Let the conditioner sit for 10 minutes and then rinse out thoroughly. Now is blow dry time. This is my least favorite part. I use the towel to soak up the excess water, and then I'm going to detangle and add some products. I'm going in with the heat protectant spray. This is from Mazzani. Ladies, this is definitely a must, especially if your real hair is being left out. We do not want to burn our hair. And I'm going in with the Trust heat protectant spray. Also, just double the power. So now we're blow drying, and I got this blow dryer from Walmart as a last resort. It's okay for my natural hair, but it works better on my hair extensions. I'm just drying out my scalp. Honestly, that's the most important part because you don't want your braids underneath to smell and cause mildew and mold because they're wet. So make sure you dry out your braids, ladies. I use a blow dryer, but you could use a hooded dryer just to save you some time. You guys are gonna hate me for this, but I actually straightened my hair off camera because I just figured everybody probably knows how to straighten and it's just a long process, honestly. But as long as you have a good serum and a good straightening tool, you would have a flawless finish. Now let's talk about the movement. This is why you want to make sure you rinse all the product out of your hair while you're shampooing and conditioning, because if not, your hair would not be able to move and sway as freely as it is now. So make sure you rinse, double rinse, rinse until your arms are tired, rinse until you're bored. It is very crucial that there's no product left over in your hair. And that is all for the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, leave down below your favorite products that you like to use on your sew-ins and your extensions and your clip-ins or any type of extensions when it's wash day.